How's it going, YouTube? So I had somebody ask me to make a video of my steering on this car right here. My RJ Speed Dragster. Pretty much that's all it is. Now as far as the steering, I went with the Savox 1251 servo. All the knuckles are still the same. That came with the deal, came with the kit. Only difference I did was I put some bolts, changed the wheels, put these aircraft wheels on it, and the O-ring wheels don't last. You know, a lot of people know that, but they don't last at all. So I went with these aircraft wheels. And as far as the steering goes, I know he mentioned his steering wasn't any good, but as long as all the links are pretty tight, not loose and secure, and you have a good strong servo, it's going to turn those wheels. It's going to turn them pretty good. Make sure, the other thing, make sure is your bolts and nuts aren't too tight where it doesn't allow the steering to be free. But not sure what else I can show you, but that's what I have on mine. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.